Bollywood sits at the heart of the visual media ecosystem in India, owing to its appeal to the Hindi-speaking audience in the country, which is the language with the highest number of speakers. It's no wonder, therefore, that some of the most paid Indian actors come from Bollywood. However, contrary to popular belief, most of the top 5 highest paid Indian actors are from South Indian film industries. While the cinema of South India has achieved mainstream attention in recent years, captivating viewers across all Indian regions with their action-packed stories, they have had cult followings across the country for a long time. As a result, South Indian actors have broken into the list of the top 5 most paid Indian actors in droves. Number 1. Joseph Vijay. Debut year 1984. Approximate net worth 474 crores. Also known as Thalpathy Vijay, is the highest paid actor in India. His career spans over 2 decades, starting at age 10 in 1984 as a child artist in the movie Vetri. Vijay is one of the most bankable performers in the South movie industries. His 2023 movie, Varasu, which earned around 300 crore worldwide, and Leo, which grossed over 612 crore worldwide. Notably, Leo is also the highest grossing Tamil film of 2023 and GOAT becomes highest Tamil grosser of 2024. Number 2. Shah Rukh Khan. Debut year, 1987. Approx net worth, 6,300 crores. Frequently called King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan has had some big flops in his body of work, but none of that has stopped him from delivering 2 consecutive blockbusters in 2023, Jawan and Pathaan, both grossing 2,000 crores worldwide. His latest release, Dunki, continues to earn big as well, highlighting his star power. Starting with television series in the late 1980s and breaking into Bollywood with 1992's Deewana, Shah Rukh Khan has built his career from scratch and continued to break records, sealing his position as the highest paid Bollywood star. Number 3. Rajinikanth. Debut year, 1975. Approx net worth, 430 crores. Rajinikanth, the highest paid South Indian actor, has almost achieved the status of a living deity in the southern parts of India and beyond, pulling in enthused crowds through his presence in a movie alone. His actual name is Shivaji Rao Gaikwad, and he has primarily worked in Tamil cinema. Rajinikanth was last seen in Jailer, an action comedy that became a box office success. He charged 110 crores for the movie. Number 4. Aamir Khan. Debut year, 1973. Approx net worth, 1862 crores. Aamir Khan's fan base appreciates his careful choice of movies, earning him the nickname MR Perfectionist for his dedication to the perfect execution of every aspect of the media he is a part of. His last release, Lal Singh Chaddha in 2022, did not see notable success. However, he is set to continue his holiday season movie release trend with Sitare Zameen Par in 2024, after fan-favorite hits like Dangal, PK, and 3 Idiots. Number 5. Prabhas. Debut year, 2002. Approx net worth, 241 crores. Prabhas earned true stardom after the release of Rajamouli's historic Bahubali duology, pushing the actor's net worth to a jump of 94% in the past 8 years. While his Adipurush was a controversial flop, his latest Salar currently has a domestic net collection of 370 crore, leaving Rajinikanth's Jailer behind at its net 348 crore. Ajit Kumar, Salman Khan, Kamal Haasan, Allu Arjun and Akshay Kumar completes the ranking from 6th to 10th positions respectively.